In this video, we will show you how to open .dd files in Windows 11. For example, we have the .dd files and we cannot open this file by double clicking on it. Okay, so you can see how to open these .dd files. You can open the osforensics.com tools/mount this image.html. Then you can download the software called OSF Mount. Okay, just click download here, and after you download, you can just click open file to install this file. Okay, just click accept for the license agreement and click next and click next. You can also add into the desktop. Just click next here and then click install. I will close this, and after that you can just launch OSF Mount. For example, just click finish. And to open your .dd files, for example here, let me show you. In my case, I have just only local DC, and if we mount the .dd files, we will creating another drive. Just click mount new here and put your .dd files, for example here on the desktop. This is our .dd files and click open. After that, we can just select next in here, and we can mount entire image as virtual disk. Just click next, and you can select drive type, but let just auto for easy. Okay, just click mount. After that, you can open the drive by right clicking in here and select open. You can see now we have two drive. This is drive D that we just mount using this OSF Mount. And when you open the file explorer, it is also the same. You will have the drive D here until you unmount or dismount this. If you dismount this, you can see the drive will be gone. Just click yes. Now your drive will be gone here. You can see there. And that's all. Tutorial how to open .dd files in Windows 11. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.